Today at Mob House Punboxing, we have a machine that is very good for painting. I've been creating for something so exciting, so let's get cracking. Acer, yes sir, here's the ConceptD 3 Ezel Pro, so you can be what you wanna be. People, this Ezel is regal, like a chisel in the hands of Michelangelo, your portable studio. 14 hours of battery from the factory set me free from the shackles that shackle me. Intel i7 lead me straight to heaven, cause I haven't found a weapon for my artistic obsession. Are you ready to show me the money? Here's another brown box from Acer. So many colors they don't pick, they pick brown. Probably has something to do with the environment. I guess they care? But hey, a lot of good things are brown. Coffee? Brown. Brown rice? Ew. Brownie? Millie Bobby Brown? Stranger Things. What a good concept. Like this ConceptD. Okay, firstly we're gonna start with the long box. Inside we have a 135 watt power brick. But why so tiny? Like this how to show off to my uncle and auntie. Hiya. And I guess this is the cable. Ado. To hit my new 10,000 ringgit lens, baby. Are you okay, Annie? But honestly, these days everybody is stuck at home. How are you guys doing? Are you also going a little bit like me, narrating yourself opening a box? Maybe I should just get back to reading. Just kidding! No joke, this laptop is very artistic, I tell you. It puts the smile on the Mona Lisa. It puts the stars on the starry night. It puts the ear on the girl with a pearl earring. But why not the pearl? I don't know. This laptop can even do this. Your one can meh? This laptop is easily, see what I did there, one of the whitest laptops I've ever seen. It has a magnesium alloy body that is not only stronger than Donkey Kong, but also has more pattern than badminton. Like a transformer, you can transform her into 6 different modes. We have the basic laptop, ice cream float, sharing is caring, exhibitionist display, bachelor pet, and oh, darling, darling, stand by me. In terms of dimensions, this laptop is 358mm wide, 249mm deep, and 18.9 or 23.9mm thick. It weighs 2 kilograms and has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with 100% sRGB coverage and a peak brightness of 340 nits, which is pretty bright lah. But the delta E that tells you how accurate the screen actually is less than 2, and we have verified it and it is amazing. For those who like to finger things and have a more hands-on approach, we have a very special keyboard. Because RGB and white backlit keyboards are too basic, Acer decided to give us orange backlighting. And orange a day keeps the sporange away. Look it up, sporange is actually a real word. If you didn't know that, then you're probably already too Apple. Oh yeah, this laptop also got a webcam, but it's only 720p. Nothing special. In terms of specs, you have to respect the Ezel Pro with its Intel Core i7-10750H processor with 6 cores, 12 threads, and a boost clock of 5 GHz, and Nvidia Quadro T1000 GPU. Not the T1000 in Terminator, huh? I'll be back. Dung 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 dung. Copyright. This laptop also has 16GB of DDR4 memory and 512GB of PCIe NVMe SSD for storage. No matter if you're painting like Sam does art in Photoshop, liquefy your face until you look like Lisa from Blackpink, or designing buildings like Frank Gehry, this will eat artistic workloads for breakfast. Okay, maybe if you're trying to do super complex workloads like Pixar animation, you should still get a workstation, and you can watch our previous Your Mother No Teach video to find out more. In terms of battery life, you can get up to 14 hours, but it depends on what you're doing lah. Abuden. Finally, here are the ports. In case you bought this laptop but lazy to read the instructions manual, my B-rolls are nicer, ma. You're welcome. If you want to buy this laptop, please consider using our affiliate links in the description below. Thank you. The Acer ConceptD 3 Ezel Pro is priced at the very #cheap buy, only if you're not a starving artist. 10,999 ringgit. If you cannot afford, means your level not there yet. Keep hustling, brothers and sisters. Moral of the pun story: the concept is simple. All you need is an easel. Even if your painting not pro, cannot be Picasso, at least with a laptop like Transformer, even as a noob, you are still a performer. Clever leh. Subscribe lah. Wait for what?